Now, the one thing you have to do is make sure it's on the lowest setting, like number 1 on your KitchenAid, because you don't want to burn your motor out. Goes so much faster, and the back of my unit is not getting as warm as it did the first time. So what I learned is the first time that I ground, I was actually putting a lot of stress on my KitchenAid mixer. So I start off with the first grind on number 6. And you see it coming out. It's kind of fine, but not really all that fine. Let's take a look. Then we're going to put it back through on number 1. This is what I got from a 1.5 cups of wheat berries. Let's do the second grind on number 1. I should have turned it first. You know, I had to dump it out back into this container because I forgot to turn the dial first before I put the wheat berries in. Phew. Let's do it again. Okay, that's so much better.